Welcome to Audacity Lesson 1. We're diving into the basics of one of the best free audio editing programs available. In this first lesson, we'll cover the essential steps to get Audacity up and running and give you a quick tour of its interface. Do you want to become an audio pro without spending a dime? I'll show you how to install Audacity in just about 3 minutes. Let's get started with the download and installation process. It's quick and easy. First, navigate your web browser to the official Audacity website, audacityteam.org. Always download from the official source to ensure you get the legitimate, safe version. Once there, look for the download section and select the version appropriate for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Download the installer, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, and then launch Audacity for the first time. Now that Audacity is installed, let's take a tour of the main interface so you know where everything is. The main window is where you'll spend most of your time. This is where you see your audio tracks and access all the tools. Notice the toolbar at the top, which holds quick access buttons, and the large tracks area below, where your audio is displayed. The Tools palette gives you control over editing functions like selection and zooming, and the playback controls let you easily manage recording and listening. Before you can record or edit, you need to start a new project. Go to File and select New to create a fresh project file. This is the blank canvas for your audio creation. Check your input and output settings to ensure your microphone and headphones are configured correctly. You're now ready for recording. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this first lesson. You've successfully downloaded and installed Audacity, toured the main interface, and are ready to start a new project. You are now ready to record your first piece of audio. Like this video and subscribe for lesson 2, where we'll dive into making your first recording.